Here's how to transfer images to your Samsung Frame TV using a USB drive. Before you start, confirm the USB drive is formatted as FAT or exFAT. Copy your image files onto the USB drive, then safely eject it from your computer. Next, insert the USB drive into the USB port on the One Connect box. The TV will automatically open the USB drive and display its contents. Select Options, then choose Send to Art Mode. When the dialog appears, select Continue. Choose the images you want to transfer, then select Send. When prompted, select Go to My Photos file. From there, select the image you want to display or choose Display All to cycle through the images.